god! You're just taking it from me. Oh my god.
Okay, we're fine. Cats in the forest.
Or cats of the forest. Okay, so we have to build a new family.
I don't even know what the hell we have to do in this game.
Dragon just came and took your cat, brother.
Okay, this is so far. Okay, my name will be
How about
Junk.
Junk?
Okay.
Hi, Junk.
Junk. Okay.
You button when players are food.
How do we move?
That button.
Ah.
Go backwards on the water. Oh my god. It's like moonwalking.
I'm galloping.
Into the wall.
Wow. I don't understand this.
Okay, you gotta eat. I don't think cats can eat mushrooms. Nope. What? Wait, what?
I leveled up.
Cats should eat mushrooms. Cats can't eat mushrooms.
Cats just ate mushrooms.
And leveled up from that? This doesn't make any sense. I guess it doesn't make any sense that dragons will come and take away your cat.
They took away my brothers. I hate those dragons.
Okay, so you gotta eat.
There's a brother over there.
You sure it's your brother?
It might be my brother.
Wait,
It's a deer. How do I jump? How do I jump?
If you can't jump.
Die.
It's not a deer.
Die.
That's
Die.
not a deer. Unless it's like a really big cat.
Looks like I'm a pretty big cat.
Yeah, maybe you kill a baby deer.
I can't even eat my prey. How do I jump?
I don't know. And you can't jump because you feel like bad about killing baby deer.
Wait, they're cat brothers. I sense it.
What's this thing?
Gotta drink.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
I will rescue you, cat brothers.
Wait, it said you have to eat something. That's your first quest.
Let's ignore the quest. Let's go find my cat brothers.
No, but these games, you have to do the first quest that we can do the second quest.
But if I didn't want to do the first quest in the first place. Wait.
Oh my god, look at you.
There's a cat brother.
It's a cat brother.
It's a bunny. I will kill ya.
That rabbit's bigger than your cat.
Oh, he's dead. I killed him.
How could you do that? Oh my god.
Yeah!
Oh my god, that just looks wrong.
Let's find more cat brothers.
Is that a cat brother?
I know, I need to find my cat brothers.
It's wrong.
Through the waterfall.
You're supposed to eat food in the cave.
Meh.
You can't eat a rabbit or whatever that is.
There must be some cat brothers. Down
Yeah,
the
we have
river.
to complete the first quest first. So
Down the
first
river.
quest. Let's just start eating it.
It's gone. Wait, there's something here.
What is that?
Something
Oh
I
my
can
god,
kill.
it's creepy looking. Oh my god,
Yeah.
that was horrifying.
I gotta pick up in here. Watch this, everybody.
Can you pick up a deer?
Of course I can. Let me. I'm just in the wrong position.
Okay, get over there, get over there. That's not possible.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Back to waterfall. There's something else here.
What is that? Why is there like rabbits in the water and deer jumping in the water?
I will find you somewhere.
What is that, a rabbit?
Don't know. Fish.
No. Why is it so far above the water?
Oh, it's raining on me. I like this deer.
Go bring it on land.
Ah!
Oh my god.
I have to run. Or
This is wrong.
turn around and run backwards.
Okay, so you're carrying a deer backwards. gonna eat it?
Yeah. Cat likes to eat.
Still don't understand the purpose of this game.
Okay. I sense something over here.
What is that?
I will kill you.
What was that thing you just ran through?
Probably tree branch or something. This dude isn't quite big enough for me. But I will carry him.
Why don't you eat it?
No.
Well, that's disrespectful.
I don't eat things unless they're worthy of me, but I will kill anything. Let me through!
Oh god, they're kicking. It's like an invisible barrier there.
Come on, all the
The
animals.
cat is getting thirsty.
Oh, there's sort of invisible barrier. What happens if I die?
You die, I guess you have to start all over again.
There's things in the water.
Unless there's checkpoints. But since you haven't completed the quest yet, then you probably didn't get to something like that. Wait, you gotta drink.
Okay.
There's your cat
Gotta
getting
kill
thirsty.
this guy.
First you gotta drink. There's lots of fish. Just wait. Just wait.
I gotta kill him.
No, I mean, don't kill. Drink. Drink water first. You'll die. If you try to kill him, you'll both die.
Must kill him.
It's just, well, just drink first.
Yeah. I can drink while I have a fish in my mouth. That's something else. Well, what's that giant animal anyway?
I'm putting another deer. Go get it.
Okay. Okay. Put this dude down.
Okay. Because that thing.
Gotta eat him.
What is that? Is that another deer?
Maybe. Or maybe not.
Oh my god, it's coming from... That's just weird looking.
I missed him. Okay. I guess I never will find my cat brothers.
No, they're just gonna look straight.
Yeah. I don't think they survived that.
You never know.
Okay. Well.
Like, comment, subscribe to Nerdy Canadians. Follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook. See you later. Bye!